banking in your pocket. That's the promise of a mobile app, but what's the reality with Westpac? Let's take a look at the user experience. The app's design is clean and logical. Your accounts are displayed right up front, so you can see your balances at a glance without having to dig through menus. Navigating between accounts, making a payment, or transferring funds is simple and fast. It feels like the essentials are prioritized, and they've made an effort to reduce unnecessary clicks. One of the standout features is the suite of money management tools. You get a budget planner, a cash flow tracker, and automatic spend categorization. These features go beyond basic banking, offering genuinely helpful financial insights that can guide your spending and saving. Finding past transactions is also a breeze thanks to the smart search functionality. You can look up transactions using everyday language, which saves a lot of time. Card management is robust. If you misplace your card, you can lock it temporarily right in the app and unlock it again when you find it. You can also report a card lost or stolen and manage your PIN all from the card's hub. The security features, like the use of biometrics for sign-in and enhanced scam prevention alerts, provide peace of mind. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users find the layout a little clunky or report occasional technical glitches after updates, but the bank consistently works to roll out improvements. Overall, the Westpac app delivers a comprehensive, easy-to-use experience, combining essential banking functions with smart money tools. It's an app designed to give you better control over your finances, making it a powerful tool for everyday banking.